Welcome back, guys. Crypto Patrick here. I hope you guys are all doing great out there. It's a beautiful day to be alive, and it's a beautiful day to be into cryptocurrency. And what we're going to talk about today, guys, is we're going to talk about Ripple. I know I love to do Ripple videos, and we're going to talk about how Ripple could be the global standard of digital currencies coming out, and a potential Starbucks partnership that might be in the works, according to the CEO. We're going to get into that and show how it basically is teaming up with this financial company in Japan, and it's going to get listed on a Dubai exchange that's just coming out. So there's a lot of big news in the works for Ripple, guys. And before we get into that, make sure if you guys like my videos to hit that like button. It goes a long way on YouTube. It really helps out. I really appreciate you guys. And if you guys hit that subscribe button, I do news videos every day. I do giveaways on so you can win Ripple every Friday. You know, I still owe some guy some Ripple right now because he won a live stream giveaway, so I'm going to give it to him on Friday. And so I do those on Friday. You always have a chance to win some Ripple. And I usually use Ripple because it's you can buy them for a good price right now, and it's a good giveaway for people to get. And also I do live streams all the time on how to Bitcoin mine, so you don't have to always invest your own money, and you can mine into BITCLUB network. Here's the pools. But if you guys want to look into that, I'll talk about it later. But just looking into the network, the market right now, guys, right now we're at $522 billion. The market cap's at $22 billion. It's not like the market earlier, guys, was $560 billion a couple days ago. It's gone down a little bit, and this is to be expected because the Lunar New Year is still going on. The tax season hasn't started yet. You know, we're just getting into February. We're gonna have March. I'd say mid to end March, early April tax season. We're gonna see a lot more investment back into cryptocurrencies and probably see the market jump back up to $900 billion, go up to that $1 trillion mark. I'm predicting $2 trillion by the end of the year. That would shoot all those coins that follow Bitcoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, basically everything that goes along for the ride would just shoot on up, guys. So it's definitely a good time to be an investor if you buy now and hold for long term. Okay, so just taking a look at the chart, guys, we were at on January 7th, 820 billion. And it came back down now to, if you look the other day, we were at like 560, and then it got up to on today 520. So it's a little bit down right now, but definitely still a good time to buy. If you look at Ripple right now, it is $1.12, guys. There was a high of 380. So if you can just times that by 2, you would have it in the $3 mark. If you do it if you add it by, if it 3x's, guys, if the market bounces back in this April tax season, when all these cash is infused, we'll have probably a $4 Ripple that if the market cap hits that $900 mark. I think, too, at the end of the year, if all these cryptos go up again, if Bitcoin becomes like 30, 40,000, we'll probably see a $10 Ripple, like easily. I think that'll be a really, really, really strong possibility. So definitely keep that in mind, guys. And if you guys want to just put a comment for your Ripple, like in this, like write something good about Ripple. Do you hold it? Where do you guys see it going? Are you holding any other coins that are similar to Ripple, like Stellar, that has fast transaction times? Let me know in the comments below, and then put your Ripple address, and I'll give away some Ripple to this video on Friday. So let's get into the news right now, guys. What is going on with Ripple? So basically, Ripple, just SBI Virtual Currencies is going to list Ripple at their launch. And SBI it's basically a company in Japan, and it's the largest online securities company with more than 4 million brokerage accounts. So they're going to exclusively list Ripple. SBI launched beta on January 30th. The exchange is designed to provide a respected and reliable exchange for both institutional customers and individual digital asset buyers in Japan. Almost kind of like Robinhood, where they do it with stocks, but this is a financial service company. The strong institutional case is scalability. We all know Ripple is 1,500 transactions per second. There's a growing demand for XRP in Japan. XRP Holding CEO Yosti told Insights why he believes so strongly in XRP. Not only does it have a clear use case, XRP is faster, cheaper, and more scalable than other digital assets. I mean, that's pretty big. I strongly believe it will become the digital standard in digital currencies, guys. So that's huge. And they're looking to join XRapid ecosystem. There's just a lot going on here. You guys can check it out. Today's decision to make XRP the primary digital asset of SPI virtual currency shows utility, which is always good for a cryptocurrency. You always want to have utility, efficiency, scalability, respect in financial institutions around the world. See XRP. This is a step forward For more so basically Ripple's listed this on their Twitter, guys, if you want to look at their Twitter. The next thing I want to show you right here is this basically, so that we're going to get into the Starbucks one last, but this UAE, United Emirates Exchange, is in talks with blockchain brand Ripple. So Ripple is getting themselves out there, guys. This is a company where we will see that high again. I just guarantee it at this point. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. Make your own decisions. Everything is a risk. Nothing is guaranteed in life. But definitely always check this out. One of the oldest money exchange houses says it's in talks with U.S. blockchain startup Ripple to tie up and streamline payments. So Ripple's is getting themselves out there with cross-border payments. You know, UA is incorporating this process would help cut speed and cut money transfers to customers. There's just a lot going on here. This is a massive market, they say. Collectively, these remittance control over 1 million locations. Despite its popularity, typical international money transfers require a lot of steps to facilitate, and Bitcoin streamlines that process. So basically, they want to get into Ripple, guys. I mean, that's huge. The next thing that I want to show you that's really, really interesting here is, you guys are going to like this because I'm sure a lot of you go to Starbucks on occasion. I know I do, even though it's probably more healthy to drink smoothies. Okay, Starbucks adding cryptocurrency from the CEO himself, guys. Here it is right here. We're going to take a look at it. This is pretty interesting news. A trusted digital currency is coming, but not Bitcoin, says Starbucks Howard Schultz, the CEO. There is going to be a legitimate trusted digital currency, says Coffee Chairman, Executive Chairman. The dollar has been getting left out in the cold by traders lately. Who needs the Benjamins anyway? Soon, you will not need the dollar for your morning coffee, according to Starbucks. Howard Schultz. I don't believe that Bitcoin USD is going to be the currency today or in the future. The coffee's chain chairman and former CEO said Thursday earnings call he basically said as the company slightly missed their sales forecast. I personally believe there is going to be a few legitimate trusted digital currencies off the blockchain technology. Ripple has no fast transaction times, low fees. Which one are they going to choose? Probably XRapid. That's my opinion. These cryptocurrencies have legitimized and by a brand and brick and mortar environment, just like the XRapid system. The consumer and the customer in the transaction. It sounds pretty big. A pretty big hint that Starbucks might test and even accept virtual currency in the future. Huge, guys. Huge news. The Seattle company isn't announcing its launch to new cryptocurrencies. It's still working on understanding the crypto market and getting involved. I don't want to hang anyone up on this call and assume that this is all figured out, because we don't, but we're making significant investment in this world because we have something to offer that companies are chasing. So basically they're saying that they're probably going to do this, guys. They're trying it out. If the CEO is saying it, that's pretty big news. I think if you look at what companies would they use, Stellar is fast transaction times, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash is cheap to use and move, maybe even Ethereum. My guess is Ripple, guys. Ripple is look, if you just look right here, there's so much good things about Ripple. If you don't know a lot about Ripple, just know it has fast transaction times. It uses this thing called XRapid, makes everything cheap and fast and efficient. You can look on Ripple's website right here. Fast, scalable, enables real-time global payments anywhere in the world. It's basically, XRP can source liquidity in real time without having to fund things. I mean, there's just so many benefits, you guys, to how it's distributed. Worldwide payments, it's stable. This is probably going to be the future. Even if you're not into banks and you're not into Starbucks and you're against the system, we all don't want to use the dollar anymore and take power away from the elite and stuff, but Ripple, you can make money off this. I mean, if we can make money exchanging this, say you put $500 in Ripple and it 5x's, you know what I mean? And you have 5 times 5, you have $2,500 or however much that is, 5. And then so imagine if you put 10,000 in and it's skyrocketed. I don't know, but I'm holding about $500 worth of Ripple right now. I'm gonna buy some more on Friday. It's still down right now. It's a good time to buy. Bitcoin, everything's kind of 50% down right now. If you think about it, even more, 50 to 60% down, the whole market. So whenever Bitcoin's down, the whole market is down, guys. So that's it. What I want to tell you guys, it's pretty big news for Ripple. I think we will hit that $5 mark, by summertime. That's what I'm hoping. Then we can all make some money on Ripple. I'm hoping it'll go over that all-time high of $3.80. If you guys want to see what the all-time high is, I'll just give you a quick look right here. You can kind of see up here. It says 275. I can't really get on it, but you can see the $3 one right there. It wasn't that long ago it hit this mark. Not even a month ago. Look at 380, 379, 380. Huge news, guys. And if you guys want to invest in coins and you don't know which company to use, you've all heard about bitconnect being this big scam. It's a lending token built on new customers. Their CEO wasn't transparent. They had no product or service. Well, BitClub Network right here gives you mining power. You are purchasing mining equipment. We know where they are. We know that they mine Bitcoin. We know that people are getting paid. You know, my friend got paid 20 Bitcoins from this company. You know, he made 2 Bitcoins just off this initial pool right here within the last, 16 months. So, I mean, that's a pretty good deal. You can repurchase, meaning that you can repurchase 1 through 100, meaning if you buy this pool, it costs $100 in Bitcoin to join the membership, guys, and it's $500 to join the pool, but you get a machine hooked up in your name, and you can compound your interest to keep going to different pools. So you're going to be mining another 1,000 days, another 1,000 days, and then you'll eventually get up to Founder, unless you buy in at Founder, but that unlocks all kinds of opportunity. They also have like a really great marketing plan if you want to do referrals, and you can make this your own business. Like, you can get paid in Bitcoin every day and basically make money and invest in all these other altcoins that are on coinmarketcap. You know, these other companies I've shown, like that Cloud Mine, like Genesis Mining is out of contracts. These are I'm going to do a Digibyte one and a Telecoin video next, guys, but I just want to show you something real quick. This is what it looks like on BitClub when you compound. So you get more and more days off pool 1. This is off pool 1. So these are all new contracts. So as the mining difficulty increases, you are always, as long as Bitcoin's around, it's a good idea to print money if you're trading, and then you'll always be getting paid in Bitcoin, and you can start doing the referrals if you want to, and make videos and get your friends to sign up, and you'll make money when they're mining too. So when other people mining, you can make money too. So it's a really good compensation. Why is it better than Genesis and Hashflare? A lot of people ask me that. Well, here it is right here. BitClub has an affiliate program. Initial buy-in is a little more. You compound. You don't compound on Hashflare and Genesis mining. You just buy hash rate. Multi-level. Yes, you make days. Bitcoin, you can mine for a lot of days. You get your own wallet. It goes into own pools, different pools all the time. So you're constantly going into new pools. They own 3% of the all the Bitcoin mined. So we know that their facility is huge. You can go visit it. If you look at BitClub Network, 3.4% usually hovers around that of all the Bitcoin mined, guys. So I mean, that's on blockchain.info. And really good idea to get yourself into that program if you're into investing, if you're into making money and not having to work a job forever. You can start promoting BitClub and really make some good money if you start, mining, working your way up to Founder, and becoming, basically do some referrals too, and be mining every day. And I'm also on Genesis. I'm mining Litecoin right now. You can see some of my payouts. These are just from Genesis mining, but Genesis is so low paying. That's why I think BitClub's better. And that's it, guys. That's my XRP video. I hope you liked it. I'm going to do a lot more coming up, and I'm going to do a giveaway for this video, so make sure you put a thoughtful comment down below. And thank you for being alive, everyone. Thank you for being alive. Appreciate you all. Have a great night.